In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Smartsheet. Deleting a form is a simple process, but because forms are often connected to live workflows and data collection, it's important to do it carefully. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips so you don't accidentally remove something you still need. First, start by opening Smartsheet and selecting the project or sheet that contains the form you want to delete. Forms are always tied to a specific sheet, so make sure you're in the correct one. You can choose the sheet from your Smartsheet home, from a workspace, or from your recent items. Once it opens, you'll be looking at whatever default view that sheet uses, such as grid, card, or calendar. The view doesn't matter for this process. What matters is that you have the right sheet open. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the Forms option in the toolbar. It usually appears along the same row as other sheet tools. Go ahead and click on Forms. This is where Smartsheet collects everything related to form creation and management for that specific sheet. From the drop-down that appears, click on Manage Forms. This will open a panel or window showing a list of all the forms associated with the sheet. Here, you can see each form's name and sometimes additional details like whether it's active or how it's used. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct form, especially if your sheet has several forms for different purposes. Once you've located the form you want to delete, move your cursor over that form's row and look for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open a small menu of actions you can take on that form. In the menu that appears, click on Delete. Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the form. Before you confirm, remember that deleting a form removes the form itself and its link, so people will no longer be able to submit new entries using that form. However, any data that was already submitted through the form will remain in the sheet. Once you confirm the deletion, the form will be removed from the list and you're done. That's all you need to do to delete a form in Smartsheet.